What's up diecast collectors? Today's video is something new and it's from another brand, M2 Machine. I'm not a huge fan of M2, but I was honestly surprised to find a chase from them. And here I have the Nissan 2000 GTR and the other one is Dodge. We'll talk more about that later, but first let's unbox this Nissan 2000 GTR. I feel like it's a secure tape on each side. I have seen many scalpers try to unbox this in stores. I think it's a great that they secure it properly because it really takes time to peel the tape off. And here it comes. The Nissan with the decal looks amazing. And it also comes with an auto protective display box, so I don't really feel like it's a playable diecast. It's clearly meant for collectors. So why did I pick this one up? Because it gives the pure JDM legend vibes in a mini form. An absolutely collector's dream. So alright, now the unscrewing time. What a treat to finally get the actual diecast out of the box. Totally worth it. There is a detailing in the base and the wheels move smooth. Cool koi fish livery and orange with the number 7. Lucky number 7. It feels good in hand, all metal, great detailing, headlights, tail lights, even the interior looks great. So if I have compared it with metal for just $7, you are getting all of this as a package. So if you want something within budget, this one is for you. Though of course metal has its own vibe. So have a look for yourself, and yes, it even has a moving part. The hood open up. The detailing is all there, but I'll be honest, I'm a little disappointed the paint isn't perfect. There is some paint missing on the hood, and even near the taillights, the paint is off. That's a bit let down. Don't you all agree? Let's get back to the M2 Chase car. There is a difference between the normal diecast and the Chase. You can see the Chase has a gold wheels, gold rims, and gold striping. So right now I'm keeping it safe in my collection. So if you ever come across this diecast, don't hesitate, grab the Chase. And this seems to be selling fast, so if you're able to find one, grab it. Or you can even sell it for extra bucks because chases are always hard to find. Overall, my thoughts, it's sturdy, all metal and has a moving parts. And it's a JDM diecast. So why not have it? Different brands are coming with cool liveries and designs, so grab whichever one catches your eye. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, Please like, share, and comment. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. See you all in the next video with a new unboxing.